Nothing is more frustrating than spending time and effort engaging with a prospect only to fall short of closing the sale. Today, I'll impart upon you the 3 fundamental skills essential for success in sales, crucial for both entrepreneurs and sales professionals alike. Most individuals struggle with effective communication. Even fewer grasp the art of selling, and almost no one truly masters the art of closing. As a salesperson or business owner, it's your responsibility, your duty, to seal the deal. Whether the close occurs following a presentation in a conference room, over the phone, in a shop, showroom, home setting, or after an online demonstration, the onus lies solely on you to secure the sale. Many salespeople excel in various aspects such as prospecting, cold calling, giving presentations, or conducting online demos. However, without the ability to close, these skills merely serve as stepping stones. Without closing, you're merely a proficient presenter or demo provider, and ultimately it's closing that fills your coffers. Today, I'll impart upon you 3 crucial skills that are essential for increasing your income. Skill number 1, the ability to empathize with your customers. When dealing with low-ticket or commodity sales in a retail environment, empathy may seem unnecessary as transactions are often quick and straightforward. However, when selling high-ticket items or engaging in significant transactions, deep empathy becomes indispensable. As the saying goes, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Demonstrating empathy is crucial for building trust and connection with your customers. Here's a key secret to achieving tremendous success in closing sales: genuinely caring about your customers. Truly care about the well-being of your customers. Care about their results and outcomes. When you genuinely care, you'll have the integrity to admit if your product or service isn't the best fit. You won't hesitate to recommend alternatives if others can provide better assistance to your prospect. That's what it means to genuinely care. During one of our live classes, I conducted a role play with a student. Despite saying all the right things and following the prescribed formula, I knew he wouldn't close the sale. Why? Because he lacked empathy. His responses felt robotic and devoid of genuine concern. Without that connection, a sale is unlikely to happen. After several attempts, he finally grasped the importance of conveying genuine care and concern. Skill number 2, the ability to uncover challenges and identify your prospect's pain points. I always emphasize, no pain, no sale. The crux of the issue isn't your ability to sell, it's your ability to diagnose. Many salespeople talk excessively without effectively asking questions. Your sales aren't suffering due to a lack of product knowledge. Rather, it's your inability to pinpoint your prospect's specific problems and concerns. Your product alone doesn't drive sales. It's the solution to your prospect's problems that motivates them to buy. To inspire action, you must comprehend and diagnose their exact pain points. Imagine your prospect's current situation as their starting point and where they aspire to be as their desired destination. The gap between the two represents their unmet needs. As a closer, your role is to demonstrate how your product, service, or solution can bridge that gap. Failing to grasp this gap means failing to close the sale. Simply listing features and benefits won't suffice. Instead, you must show how your offering addresses their specific challenges. By helping prospects recognize your company as the ideal solution to their problems, you pave the way for successful sales. Often, the root of the problem isn't as straightforward as it seems. Prospects may not accurately identify their own issues. They might express a desire for XYZ, believing it's the solution, when in reality they require something entirely different like DFG. Your role is to guide them in understanding their true needs. Beyond merely promoting your products or services, you must grasp the bigger picture and demonstrate how your offerings align with solving their problems. This understanding is impossible without the ability to uncover challenges and diagnose their issues. Skill number 3, adeptly handling objections. While many resources focus on scripted responses to objections, I prefer a proactive approach. Rather than simply reacting to objections, I aim to preempt them altogether. When you rely on a script, it's akin to entering a boxing match with a predetermined plan of attack. It's rigid and doesn't allow for adaptability. As Bruce Lee famously said, "You must be like water, my friend." Flexibility is key. I advocate for preempting objections rather than merely reacting to them. Proactive approaches are more effective than reactive ones. There are innovative and effective methods for selling and closing deals that don't conform to traditional norms.